Hello class. So today again another section of like drama act 4 scene 1 I am about to start. So we had already completed act 3 scene 5. So today we will be doing act 4. So what happens in act 4 scene 1? Where is the scene venue is? This is the court of justice. The court scene is going on. What we had seen in the last scene is Portia is now ready to come and fight for this Antonio against Shylock, okay, in disguise as a lawyer. Now the Duke of Magnifois, Antonio, Bassanio, Grassanio, Salario and the others, there are many attendants, there are many spectators that has entered, see, and Duke, now Duke is the judge, so Duke is saying, what is Antonio here? So now the court scene is about to begin. He's saying, okay, Antonio is present, Antonio ready, so please your grace, okay, Antonio is saying, yes sir, I am also ready, please you start your honor, I am here. Duke, I am sorry for thee, thou art come to answer a stony adversary, an inhuman wretch, incapable of pity, void and empty from any dram of mercy. So what happens, Duke is also very sorry, like feeling very sorry for whom? Antonio, because why he is telling that he got to face a very cruel enemy, a hateful beast and having no mercy, touch of mercy, pity at all, understood, and he is a person who is utterly devoid of human kindness, that is also from any dram of mercy, that means he is an inhuman wretch, okay, considered to being an inhuman wretch because he is not ready to think that he is also another human. I would also be in place of him, and if he also would do the same to me, I would also feel very painful. He is not ready to think of that, okay, so he is not ready, so that's why he is saying that he is an human kindness, he is far away situated from the human kindness, no human kindness can be seen through the enemy that you have to face, okay. Then Antonio says, I have heard your grace hath taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course, but since he stands obdurate and that no awful means can carry me out of his envoy's reach, I do oppose my patience to his fury, and I am armed to suffer with the quietness of spirit the very tyranny and rage of his. So Antonio is, what Antonio is telling, I am really heard your honor, you made a great efforts, okay, to persuade him so that he can get against his cruel demand. His demand is for the pound of flesh, okay, so you tried your level best to make him understand, so this is not possible, but he is not ready to listen to anyone, okay, he is very obstinate, he is very fixed, he just wants to take revenge against me, so I don't think he will listen to anyone at any cost, okay. So there is no lawful means of my escape, I know that, I am not going to blame any of you, okay, as that was a merry bond, so it is very hard for me to take out the clutches of Shylock. So I am resolved to patiently endure the worst consequences of his violence and anger. He is ready. Whatever I can do is I can just be patient, because if I be rage or if I show my frustration and anger, that is what Shylock wants me to do. He wants me to get angry so that he will get kind of peace, but I will not give him that. Please, I know I tried to talk to him, I tried to make him understand once or twice, thrice, but he is not ready to listen to me. So what is the use of me getting angry or frustrated? It is useless. So I am ready, patiently I will face his anger, his violence, his hatred, everything, okay. Now Duke, go on and call the Jew into the court, okay. Duke is saying, okay, I had a talk with Shylock and Antonio, so now please you go and call Antonio, okay. Saladin, he is waiting at the door, here he comes, so he is there in the door and he is ready to come, he is here. Now Shylock has come inside the court. Now Duke, make room and let him stand before our face. Shylock, the worst things that, and I think so too, that thou had leased this fashion to thy malice to the last hour of act, and then thought thou it will show thy mercy and remorse more strange. Okay, then is thy strange apparent cruelty, and where thou now exact the penalty, which is a pound of this poor merchant's flesh, thou wilt not only lose the forfeiter, but touched with human gentleness and love. Okay, again the Duke tries to make Shylock understand by saying what? Okay, fine, Shylock, you stand here, appear just in front of before me. Okay, Shylock, as all men think, as well as I too think, that you keep this appearance of cruelty till the last moment. Everybody is thinking that you are a very cruel person, and you will keep it, your cruelty, till the end. End is until Antonio dies. Okay, that means until you get satisfied by the pound of flesh that you want to take from Antonio's body. But then will show such mercy and pity that will surprise all. Okay, so last moment I really want you to show kind of a mercy, understood, at the right moment, so that makes a surprise, that creates a surprise to everybody. Okay, strange, unusual cruelty has done. What cruelty you are doing? All of us, the people will try to show, like people are still believing that you are a very cruel person. Okay, he will definitely take the life of Antonio, then only he will satisfy. People are thinking to that extent. So you change their logic by how? By changing your gesture. That means changing your behavior against Antonio. Changing your behavior is how? By showing little bit of mercy, showing little bit of pity, understood, for him, for Antonio. Okay. Then while at present you insist on having the forfeiter, and what you are insisting to have is a pound of mere flesh from this fellow's flesh, understood, from this fellow's body. But you will end not only remit the penalty, but at the end what will you get? The pound of flesh. What will you do with that? It is useless. It is really worthless, understood. So you are not only losing a person, a forfeiter, you are also losing the penalty. That means if you want, you can exact a penalty from him, twice, thrice the amount what you have given. So that is profitable to you instead of his pound of flesh. That will not satisfy you at all. Okay, so you are also, not only you are losing the forfeiter by exacting the penalty, you are also losing your human humanity. Your humanity will also be lost, because everybody will think that it's only through your hand where Antonio will be saved. Your yes can save his life, but you didn't say, so that's why he will be dying. So that means he will anyhow lose his pound of flesh, and you will also lose the humanity, understood. You will also lose the humanity. So any portion of money you lent him, looking kindly and sympathetically on the heavy losses which have lately befallen him and have broken down even the merchant prince like him. Okay, after that he is telling, forgive a motive of a principal, glancing an eye of pity on his losses. Please have little bit of penalty, mercy on this poor man. Why this man is poor? Because he has got bankrupted. His all ships has get wrecked. Okay, he will anyhow suffer in his life. So don't give him one more suffering. Okay, so you can at least save him. So that have of late so huddled on his back. So he has lot of troubles, lot of troubles in his shoulder. Don't make him that lifeless, or don't make him half dead. Okay, so he is telling that. And then he now oppress a royal merchant down. He is such a good man. This is only because of that was in his fate. He is facing all this. Otherwise he is a good man. Okay, royal merchant down, and pluck commiseration of his state from brassy bosoms and rough hearts of flint. What he is telling? And he is also telling, befallen him and broken down. Okay, his condition have moved on to a most hearted men. Okay, most hard-hearted men, the cruel and savage dogs and turtles who are never accustomed to, okay, then he is also giving an example from stubborn Turks and Tartars never trained to officers of tender courtesy. So don't behave like that undisciplined Turks and Tartars. Turks and Tartars are this one, no? Animals which are never trained. Now when they are not trained, what happens? They behave in a very wild manner. So they are like not trained. Okay, they are untrained. So they will behave in the way they want. No, very wild. But we are animal. We are educated men. We are like we know what is correct and what is not, how to react and how to not. So similarly, you also show little bit of kindness. Don't show the gestures of not being inhuman. Okay, so this to officers of tender courtesy. So you are a very good person. Show that goodness. This is the correct time to show your goodness. So don't neglect. Understood? So before this much, last request is again made by the Duke. Duke usually doesn't make all this kind of requests, but here the situation, everything was in under the hands of Shylock. He was also feeling pity on this Antonio, because Antonio is really a good man. Understood? This is all because of Shylock's revenge. What he had, lot of revenge, a lot of hatred he has to for Antonio. That's why he is behaving like that. Okay. So Shylock. After that, Shylock says, I have already, okay, I have proposed your grace, and what I propose to your holy Sabbath, I have sworn to have the Duke and forfeit of my bond. He says, I have already told you what I want. Okay, I have already taken an oath to have the pound of flesh to exact the penalty, and my exact of penalty is not the payment of cash. It is the payment made by the pound of flesh. Okay. Now he is saying, if you deny it, let the danger light upon your charter and your city's freedom. If you ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion fish than to receive 3,000 ducats, I will not answer that. He is telling, okay, fine. If you are not giving me justice, no, then you are not being justiciable to your state. Okay, to the law of your state. And if you want me, what will you do with a mere pound of flesh rather than getting 3,000 ducats back? So I think I don't need to answer of that. I don't need to answer you. I am not answerable to you. Okay, he is saying that. Okay, I will not answer the question and say that is just my whim. It is just my passion. It's just I just want, so I want. That's it. You want proof, you want this one, then you just see the like the bond that is happily signed by Antonio. Okay, does the answer satisfy you now? Okay, he is telling, does the answer satisfy you? He is giving more. But if my house be troubled with a rat, and I be pleased to have 10,000 ducats to have it banned, he is saying, okay, I am taking that pound of flesh and keeping at my house. Maybe there are a lot of rats coming due to that pound of flesh. He is ready to pay 10,000 more for that. That means you can see how adamant he is to get that pound of flesh. Okay, that means he took the pound of flesh from Antonio's body and he kept in some corner of his house. Due to that, there were a lot of rats that came in his house, and he is telling, if I had to pay more 10,000 ducats in order to get rid of that rats, no, I would happily do that, but I want my pound of flesh. Now are you answered? He is saying. Some men there love a gaping pig, some that are mad if behold a cat, and others when a bagpipe sings, the nose cannot contain. So there are different sort of people. All of us, there are bagpipers, there are a lot of people, no, they sell and they they are moving around the houses and they are making kind of shouts, no, they are doing. Then what happened? All of a sudden people get rage. People say, why are you standing here? You go, why are you making noise? That kind of feeling, no? So then even when the this one, and there are some people who simply shouts at animals like dogs and cats, no, when they even mew, when they make a kind of sound, they are biased, they have no personal reason, but still there is hatred. Understood? Still I don't like, so you just go out. Though this animal has not done anything wrong. okay, but still doesn't want, so please go out of it. They are showing lot of hatred, understood, to that small. The fact is our instinctive likes and dislikes control our inner sentiments and direct them to objects which we love or hate. Yes, so those objects, that these objects are treated with our love, with our inner sentiments. I don't like, so that's why I have sent that. I like, so it will come to me. It is not like that. That means what is the feeling of that object? Nobody like even feels it, right? It is only about our feeling. Okay, I don't like, so I am not doing that. I like, so I am doing that. It's like that. So now my answer to you is that one man cannot endure the sight of a roasted pig. Okay, another a harmless, useful, and a cat, and another a woolen bagpipe. Just as these persons behave violently at the sight of these objects, so I am also disgracing themselves. Similarly, those animals, those people are not answerable. Understood? I don't like that. Just telling that I don't like that pig. I don't like that this bagpiper sound. Okay, I don't like that cat. That's why I've just read chased that. That's the reason. So similarly, they are not answerable. So why will I give answer to all my questions? It is also my dislike. I also don't like sentiments, inner sentiments. That means that object, for Shylock, that object is being compared with whom? With Antonio. Okay, this is the reason. So, but just as people behave violently at the sight of these objects, I am also doing the same. So, neither can I nor I can give any reason for my action except this, that I have a deep rooted dislike and hatred for Antonio. I can only say that just like people hate those objects, similarly I also don't like this man, this Antonio. That's why, that's the only reason I can give you. Okay, I am pursuing this case which if will mean to a heavy loss of money. Does my reason you satisfy? I know, and in behalf I also know this is the heavy loss of money. I can easily get back my 3,000 ducats which is ready to pay also. Okay, but I don't want. That's my loss, I know, but I am ready to take that loss in order to like fulfill my grudge that I have for Antonio. Now this is fine. This is satisfied. My answer is satisfied, he is saying to the Duke. Okay, so we will keep this much for your today's video. So further what happens will be coming up very soon. Till then, please, I have gone line wise, you to do it. Okay, stay safe. Thank you.